Good morning, children, and welcome back. Now I will be teaching you linear equations in one variable. Now we will be starting with linear equations in one variable. Okay? Till now we have studied what do you mean by algebra and who was the founder of algebra and what part of maths does this algebra hold. Yes. Now in this session we will be completely studying about linear equations in one variable. What are the terms you need to know when you are studying linear equations in one variable? Let us check. Okay. Now, what are variables? Okay, you would have seen in the equation, right? X, Y, Z, all these kind of alphabets or symbols that we don't know. See, now if I say y plus 2 is equal to 0, okay? Now this y here, correct? This y is called as the variable. That means if I put any value for the y is equal to 1, then y will take 1 value. If I put y is equal to 2, y will take 2 value. So therefore, a symbol which represents an unknown number is called as a variable. Okay? A symbol, it's just a symbol because whatever value we put in that variable, it will take that value itself. Okay? So it is not fixed. See, now I have x. Suppose I have x. Okay? If I put x is equal to 2, x will take the value of 2. X will become 2. If I put x is equal to minus 2, x will take the value minus 2. So x keeps on varying, right? X is not fixed. So such kind of numbers are called as variables. Okay? I may just not take x, I may take any kind of symbol that I want, okay? So such kind of symbols which represent an unknown quantity, that means we don't know what it is, okay? Till we find it is a representation of an unknown quantity is called as a variable. Now what is a constant? It is a fixed value which does not vary, okay? Now see, 9, 5, 3. If I say 9, can I put any value instead of 9? No, 9 is 9 itself. 5 is 5 itself. 3 is 3 itself. So therefore these kind of numbers which do not vary are called as constants. Okay? So such kind of numbers, it is a fixed value we say. It is a fixed value which does not vary. Example 9, 5, 3 and so on. Such kind of numbers are called as constants. Okay? It is a fixed value. What is a variable? The name itself says it is varying. What is a constant? It is a fixed value. Okay? Now, next, an equation. What is an equation? Without equations, algebra would have not been existing. Equation is used to represent the known scenario. Okay, suppose some word problem we have. Instead of writing this person, that person and all, we write this person as X. Let this person be Y. Let this person be Z. So that real life situation, that real life scenario, we put all the real quantities into an equation form. Correct? So that is nothing but equation. Equation contains both variables and constants. And it is always equation. That means it always has a equal to sign. Correct? So a statement of equality. A statement of equality which contains one or more unknown quantity. Okay, it may contain any kind of unknown quantity. What are unknown quantities? The variables. Okay, and it is an equation which contains both. It may contain constants and variables, or only variables or constants, or only constants or no, anything it may contain. Okay, but it is always having an equal to sign. This kind of statement is called as an equation. Okay, a statement of equality which contains one or more unknown quantities. If I'm looking at this equation, this has how many unknown quantities? Unknown quantities are what? They are nothing but my variables. So this x, correct? This is x. So one unknown quantity is here. Now if I take x plus y plus z is equal to 5. How many unknown quantities? 1, 2, 3 different quantities are there, correct? So there are 3 different quantities. So therefore, one or more unknown quantity is called as an equation. Now children, the left hand side, suppose this is my equal to, The left of my equal to is called as LHS, okay? And the right of my equal to is called as my right hand side or RHS, okay? So now let us know what do you mean by linear equation in one variable. Okay, let us start. Just children. Now I'll teach you what do you mean by linear equations in one variable. Okay? So an equation is called a linear equation if it has only one degree or the highest power of variable occurring is 1. What do you mean by this? Highest power and 1 degree and stuff. Now see children, when I'm looking at my equation, okay? Now highest power means what? Power means if my variable is raised to 1. Okay? See, if nothing is there, x raised to 1 is nothing but x. Correct? X raised to 2 is nothing but what? Its highest power is 2. Correct? Now x raised to 3 means highest power is 3. So therefore, linear, when I say linear equation means my variable, that is x, y, z, whatever you take, the power should be raised only by 1. X raised to 1 is nothing but x. Such kind of the equation which contains such variables are called as linear equations in one variable. Okay? One variable means what? Only x. If I have x plus y, it means it is what? X plus y is nothing but two variables, two different variables. X is not same as y is not same as x. So that time we will study equations in two variables. Now as we study linear equations in one variable. Linear equation means what? Only the power should be raised to 1. Okay? Linear can also be x plus y children. Why it is x plus y? Because here x is raised to 1, y is raised to 1 only. Okay, but is x raised to 2 or y is raised to 2? No, x is not raised to 2 and y is not raised to 2. If it was x raised to 2, y raised to 2, then we had to do binomial equation. Okay, binomial theorem and stuff. But here it is only linear. Correct? It is only linear. That means my x and y both have the power to be 1. Correct? If nothing is there, that means my power is 1. Correct? See here, x plus 5. X plus 5, here the power of x is 1. Correct? So it is a linear equation. Now again, what are the variables here? Whenever you have to check what are the variables, if it is a linear equation in one variable or something, always check the power of the variable. Now when I see x plus 5 is equal to 0, okay? Now the variable is x and its power is raised to 1. So therefore I can tell that my x plus 5 is equal to 0 is a linear equation in one variable, okay? Okay children, so therefore, now see here, an equation is called a linear equation if it has only one degree or the highest power of variable occurring is 1, okay? Not these. It is only 1. That means x should be only raised to 1 or y should be only raised to 1. Z should be only raised to 1. Take any variable, any unknown symbol, it should always be raised to 1. Then only I will say it is my linear equation. Okay? Now if it is raised to 2, y is raised to 2, then it is wrong. It is not a linear equation. Got it? Now, general form of linear equation. Now what is this general form? General form is ax plus b is equal to 0 or ax plus b is equal to c. Now what is a, b? A, b can be what? It can be any kind of constants. A, B, C, it can be any constants. You know what are constants, right? What are constants? They are nothing but numbers. Okay, like what instead of A I have taken 2. Okay, it is 2x, b is nothing but 6 is equal to 0. Or instead of a, I can take what? A I can take as 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Is it a linear equation? Of course it's a linear equation. Why? Because the variable x has the highest power only 1. So therefore I can say that this is the general form of linear equation. Okay? So an equation is called a linear equation if it has only 1 degree. 1 degree means what? Highest power. Okay? 1 degree or the highest power of variable occurring, it should be only 1. So what are the variables? It can be any variables. You can take any kind of variables, but their powers should only be raised to 1. Okay, so let us solve your 2.1 exercise from your textbook now. Okay, now please I'll give you some time, go and get your textbooks and start solving along with me. Okay children, now let us begin exercise 2.1. How do you solve a linear equation? I'll teach you now. Okay children, now these are the textbook exercise of your exercise 2.1. Now we have to find what they have told, solve and find the value of the variable. Now the first equation is x minus 2 is equal to 7. Okay, now always remember children, whenever you want to solve an unknown variable, okay, see, now what is an unknown variable here? X. I have to find x. X is where? X is in my left hand side, correct? So this plus 2. Okay, one more thing before I start, remember, okay, this is equal to, correct? This is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. If I have addition in my left hand side, when it will go this side of equal to, it will become minus. Okay? If I have minus on my LHS, if it will go this side, it will become plus. Okay? If I have multiplication, if it will go this side, it will become division. If I have division, if it will go this side, it will become multiplication. Similarly, this as well. If RHS has a minus, it will become plus. If RHS has plus, if it will go this side, it will become minus. If RHS has division, if my unknown variable is in RHS, I have to take the other, all the variables to this side, so it will become multiplication. And multiplication will again become division, okay? So whatever signs are here, it will become its opposite. Addition will become subtraction, subtraction will become addition, multiplication will become division, division will become multiplication and vice versa. Okay? So, just we are studying inverse and stuff, right? Additive inverse is what? You will put a negative. Roll off 1 is what? It's a reciprocal. Understood? So, all of these concepts are very important. Now children, I'll teach you a simple example first. Okay? X minus 2 is equal to 7. Okay? Now, x is in my left hand side, this is equal to, and this is my right hand side. Correct? I keep x as it is. Okay? I want value of x, but x has what? It has minus 2. So what I do with this minus 2, I will bring it here. It will become what? Plus 2. So x as it is, equal to as it is, right? 7 as it is first. Now, this term minus 2, if it will go this side, it will become plus 2. Correct? So, therefore, now x is only there, no other numbers are here. So, therefore, x is equal to, what is 7 plus 2? 7 plus 2 is 9. So, therefore, my unknown variable x is equal to 9 is my answer. Now, how do you verify if this is correct or not? Okay? This is verification. How do you verify this? Now, instead of x, okay, what is the given equation, children? Given equation is x minus 2 is equal to 7, correct? Instead of x, I will put what? 9, because I have got the value of x to be 9. So, 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So, 7 is equal to 7. So, LHS is equal to RHS. So, therefore, my solution is correct. Easy? Yes. So, it's a very simple solution. X minus 2 is equal to 7. I have to find what is x. I keep x as it is equal to as it is, 7 as it is. Now, x minus 2 is there. I want only x. I don't want minus 2. So, minus 2 I will take it to the right hand side. It will become plus 2. So, is equal to 7 as it is. First you should write whatever terms you have in your RHS, first you should write that. Then, minus will become plus 2. So, nothing is left behind. LHS now except x. So, x is equal to 7 plus 2 is nothing but 9. How do I verify if the answer is correct? We can verify by, write first x minus 2 is equal to 7. The given equation. Instead of x, put the value as 9. So therefore 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. What is 9 minus 2? 7 is equal to 7. Correct? My LHS is same as RHS. So therefore my solution is correct. If my LHS was not as same as RHS, then my solution was not correct. Clear? Now next is y plus 3 is equal to 10. Same thing again. Now I want what? Y is an unknown variable. So I keep y as it is. Okay? Is it now plus 3 has? I don't want anything. I want only y to be my LHS. So what I do? This plus 3 I will transfer here. Plus will become minus as it is. Correct? So y is equal to, right? First what term is there in my RHS? 10 is there. Plus 3 will become minus 3. Clear? So y is equal to what is 10 minus 3? 10 minus 3 is 7. Y is equal to 7 I got. Now let me verify. Verification. Okay? Verification. Given equation is what? Y plus 3 is equal to 10. Correct? So instead of y what I got children? Y is equal to 7. So 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 7 plus 3 is 10 is equal to 10. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence my solution is correct. Okay. Here also 7 is equal to 7. Then only, if only my LHS is same as RHS, then only my solution is correct. Okay. Now similarly I have a third problem here. 6 is equal to Z plus 2. Now 6 is in my left hand side. Z plus 2 is in my right hand side. What is an unknown variable here? Unknown variable is Z, which is in my right hand side. I don't want anything in my right hand side. So what I do, I transfer, see Z is connected to plus 2. I don't want plus 2 here. So I will take this plus 2 to this side. Okay, so I keep 6. Okay, so this is equal to, I keep Z as it is. Okay, 6 was first, so I kept 6 also as it is, plus 6. Now plus 2 will go this side and will become minus 2. Correct? So therefore, what is Z children? Write Z as it is. So plus and minuses, subtract and put the greater on the sign. 6 minus 2 is 4. So plus 4 is equal to Z. Clear? So Z is nothing but plus 4. So therefore, minus 2 plus 6 is equal to Z. So 4 is equal to Z. Now you can verify that. Let us verify and check if my answer is right. Okay. So the question was 6 is equal to Z plus 2. Okay. Now Z is in my RHS. I'll keep it as it is. Bring 2 to this side. So it will become 6 will be as it is, minus 2 is equal to what? Z. Correct? Because I have to find a new variable that is X, Z. And it is having one more term 2. I don't want 2. I want only Z. So this 2 I will transfer here. It will become 6 plus 2 will become minus 2. So plus 6 minus 2 is nothing but plus 4 is nothing but Z. Now let us verify. Okay, so given equation is 6 is equal to Z plus 2. Clear? Instead of Z, I will put what? 4. So 6 is equal to 4 plus 2. 6 is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 is equal to 6. LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore my solution is correct. Very easy, correct? It's very easy. Nothing, you just have to find your unknown variable. If unknown variable has some other constants with it, transfer everything to the other side. Left hand side, if it is there, it will go to RHS. If it is in RHS, it will come to LHS. Clear? Now next is fourth one. 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. Now children, okay, this is, I'll tell you how to do it. It's very simple, okay? Yes. So given equation is 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. Correct? Now, what I have to do is, I just want what? X. Correct? So I want only I'll keep x as it is equal to 17 by 7 as it is. Now x is also connected by what? 3 by 7, which is in my LHS. So 3 by 7 is what? Plus 3 by 7. No, 3 by 7 plus x. Correct? So if this 3 by 7, if it will go here, it will become minus 3 by 7. Got it, children? See, it is not multiplied. It is added. Correct? It is added. If it was multiplied, then it would go here, it would become division. But here, 3 by 7 plus x. So I want only x. I kept x as it is in my LHS. 17 by 7 as it is, which is in my RHS. But 3 by 7, when it will go here, it will become minus 3 by 7. Okay? So therefore, x is equal to, what is 17 minus 3? 14 by 7. Correct? X is equal to 14 by 7 is my answer. Let me verify this. Given equation is 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. Instead of x, I will put what? 14 by 7. So 3 by 7 plus 14 by 7 is equal to 17 by 7. My denominators are same, add my numerator. 14 plus 3 is 17 by 7 is equal to 17 by 7. So therefore, as 17 by 7 is equal to 17 by 7. So LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore, my solution is valid. Clear? What did I get? 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. I want x, I kept x as it is. 17 by 7 I kept as it is. Plus 3 by 7 I brought it to the left RHS, it became minus 3 by 7. Plus will become minus. Okay, remember children. So I solved it. My denominators are same. Just subtract my numerator. We have studied that, right? In subtraction of rational numbers. So 14 by 7 is the answer. I verified. I got LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore my solution is correct. Okay. Now this 16x is equal to 12. 16x is equal to 12 is my given equation. So 6x, 6 into x it is, okay? 6 into x. So this is of the form 6x means 6 into x is equal to 12. Okay? Now I want only x, so I'll keep x as it is equal to 12 as it is. Now 6 multiplied by x, correct? So when 6 will go this side, do you think it will become subtraction? No, because it is multiplied with x. 6x is nothing but 6 into x. So when my 6 into x, when my 6 will go that side, it will become division. As it was multiplied with x, when it will go this side, it will become divided by x, divided by the number. So therefore, x is equal to 6 ones are 6 2s are 12. So therefore, x is equal to 2 is my answer. Okay? Or x is equal to what, children? X I got as 12 by 6. Correct? So again I tell you, this number is there. 6x is equal to 12. Correct? I want only x. Correct? Now, this 6 will go this side. 6 into x, right? X as it is equal to 12 as it is. 6 into x. So, into x. So, when 6 will go this side, it will become divided by 6. So, therefore, 6 1 are 6, 6 2s are 12. So, x is equal to 2. Is my answer. Correct? Now, how do I verify? So therefore, 6x is equal to 12. 6 into what is 2? What is x children? 2. So 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Correct? So therefore, 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 6x is equal to 12. So instead of x, I have put 2. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 6 2s are 12 is equal to 12. So LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore my solution is right. Easy? Yeah, it's very easy. Okay. Now next problem is sixth problem. Sixth problem, t by 5 is equal to 10. Okay. divided by 5 to this side. This is, I want only t, correct? So I write t as it is equal to 10 as it is. I have not touched anything, okay? Only what variables are having that I have to bring it to the other side. So therefore t is divided by 5. So this divided by 5 when it will become, when it will go here, it will become multiplication. Remember, division will become multiplication. Here multiplication became division when it went to RHS. So therefore what will happen here? This division divided by 5 when it will go here to RHS, it will become multiplied by 5. Got it? Is equal to t is equal to 10 5s are 50 is my answer. Okay, let us verify. Given equation is t by 5 is equal to 10. Correct? This is the given equation. Instead of t, what have to substitute? 50. So 50 by 5 is equal to 10. So what is 50 by 5? 50 divided by 5? 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 0. So therefore 10 is equal to 10. LHS is equal to RHS. It's the proof. Therefore, as 10 is equal to 10, LHS is same as RHS. So therefore, the solution is correct. Clear? Now, the seventh problem is 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Okay? So, I will put x only. Correct? Now listen. I have an equation 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Now, x has how many? 2 by 3. Correct? So this implies that I want only x. So 2 by 3 is there, correct? In my LHS. So 2 by 3 into x is equal to what? 18. Correct? Now, this is 2 by 3 into x. 2x by 3 is nothing but 2 by 3. I have separated this and this. I want only x here. So 2 by 3 into x is equal to 18. Now I want only x. So keep x as it is equal to 18 as it is. Now 2 by 3. When it will go this side of equal to, division will become multiplication, multiplication will become division, correct? So x as it is, 18, okay? Now divided by 3 is there. Now 2 by 3 when it goes this side, it will become into 3 by 2, ulta. Okay, the reciprocal. This division term, 2 by 3, it is into, correct? So into will become what? Divided by 2 by 3, correct? Or in a simplest way, if I tell you, okay? 2 by 3 is there, into x is equal to 18. Now this is 2 by 3 into x, correct? I want only x. So x is equal to 18, into will become divided by 2 by 3. Correct? So x is equal to 18, into will be division will become multiplication, 2 by 3 will become 3 by 2. Correct? 2 by 3 will become what? 3 by 2. Division of rational numbers we have studied. 18, division will become multiplication, 2 by 3 will become 3 by 2. So x is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. So 9 threes are 27. So x is equal to 27. Okay, again I am telling you 2x by 3 is equal to 18. So this is of the form I want only x. So 2 by 3 into x is equal to 18. So see 2x by 3 is nothing but what? 2 by 3 into x. Now 2 is multiplied by x. So when it goes here it will become divided by x. Correct? See here. It is 2 multiplied by x. So when it comes this side it will become divided by 2. Again 3 is divided by x. So when it goes this side it will become multiplied by 3. Correct? 2 was which was multiplied when it went this side it became divided. The 3 which was divided when it came this side it became multiplied. So 18 3s are 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 9 3s are 27. So x is equal to 27. Let me check if the answer is right. Okay, so given equation is 2x by 3 is equal to 18. X I got as 27. So 2 into 27 by 3 is equal to 18. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. 2 nines are 18. 18 is equal to 18. So left hand side is same as my right hand side. Hence the proof. Clear? Easy? So this is the solution of my equation. Now next is 1.6 is equal to y divided by 1.5. Okay, so what I'll do, I want what? I want only y, correct? So I will take 1.5 which is divided this side. So it will become what? 1.5 into 1.6. So therefore 1.6 as it is divided is there because I want only y here. This divided 1.5, if it will go here, it will become multiplied by 1.5. Correct? So therefore 1.5 into 1.6 is what, children? 1.5 into 1.6 is nothing but 2.4. 2.4 which is nothing but y. So therefore y is equal to 2.4. Clear? Easy. Division will become multiplication. Multiplication will become division. Have to find only y. So no term should be here. See, this was y by 1.5. There was 1.5 here, so I took it this side. It was divided, it became multiplied. So I got my answer. Okay. So it is 2.4 is equal to y. So again, same thing, verify, you will find LHS is equal to RHS and hence the proof. Now next sum is 7x minus 9 is equal to 6. Now see here, 7x minus 9 is there, correct? Take 1 by 1 term to the other side. See, 7 into x is there first, minus 9 is equal to 16. So I keep 7x as it is equal to 16 as it is. First I keep this minus 9 to this here. So it will become what? Plus 9. Okay, so 16 plus 9 is how much? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Correct? So 7x is equal to 25. Okay, now I know how to solve this. Correct? Now x I have to find. 7 is there, which is multiplied. 7 into x is equal to 25. So I want to see x, I keep x as it is equal to 25. X which was 7 which was multiplied and it will go this side, it will become divided by 7. Correct? Because multiplication, when it will go that side, it will become division. So therefore, again x is equal to 25 by 7 is my answer. Clear? So therefore, again you can verify. So 7 into 25 by 7 minus 9 is equal to 16. 7 will get cancelled. What is 25 minus 9? 25 minus 9 is 16 is equal to 16. So LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore, my solution is correct. Easy? So nothing, it's very simple. Whenever I have seen 7x minus 9 is there. First I will take minus 9 to that side. It will become plus 9. Then I will divide that by 7. Clear? To find what? X. So whatever, see, suppose I have 6x minus 2 is equal to 4. Suppose, okay? Always, see, 6 into x is there. This I can solve later. First take this, minus 2 this side. So it will become 6x is equal to 4 plus 2. So 6x is equal to 6. Now it is of this form. Now I will solve x is equal to 6. This 6 will go this side, it will become divided by 6. 1. Correct? This is not there. This is just what I taught you for explanation. Now children, next is 14 by minus 8 is equal to 13. Okay? Now next problem is 14 by same thing. 14 by minus 8 is equal to 13. Now what I told you to do? First here my y. This whole thing is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. Correct? So this minus 8, first you take this side. It will become what? Plus 8. So 14y is equal to 13 plus 8. Correct? So therefore 14y is equal to what? What is 13 plus 8? It is 21. Correct? So therefore now y is equal to what? Keep 21 as it is. 14y is nothing but 14 into y. There is no sign in between, that is nothing but into. Correct? See children, 2x, 5y, 16z, all these are into. Because 2x is nothing but 2 into x. 5y is nothing but 5 into y. 16z is nothing but 16 into z. Okay? So similarly, 14y is nothing but 14 into y. So this 14, if I take it this side, it will become divided by 14. So 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. Y is equal to 3 by 2 is my answer. Clear? Now let me verify this. Verification. How do I verify? Now 14y is minus 8 is equal to 13. Correct? So now write 14 as it is. Y can be written as 3 by 2. We have got it. Correct? Minus 8 is equal to 13. So 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 7 3s are 21 minus 8 is equal to 13. Correct? So what is 21 minus 8? 13 is equal to 13. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence my solution is correct. Easy. So this here we have completed. Still you have 2 more sums, 11 and 12, that you can try it by yourself. If you have any doubt, please do mail us at dmcs.grade8.math@gmail.com. Okay. I hope this everything you have understood. Please solve the sums which I have given you. Okay. So very easy. Just you have to find what is the unknown variable. Whatever constants are there, if it is plus, when it will go this side, it will become minus. Minus, if it will go this side, it will become plus. Then multiplication will become division. Division will become multiplication. Okay, children? So please pay attention. And whenever you are solving, remember about the signs and do stepwise. Okay, always do not forget to verify your answer. If you don't get the right answer in your verification, that means your answer is wrong. Okay, so let's try it. So here I end this 2.1. In my next class, we'll see exercise 2.2. Thank you, class.